Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, how to access websites and apps that are usually restricted on school Chromebooks. Many students run into blocked pages during free time or when trying to access certain online tools, so this video is meant to explain the idea behind how these web-based unblockers work and why people use them. The method shown in this video focuses on using an online, browser-based platform that acts as a middle layer between your Chromebook and the website you want to visit. Instead of installing anything or changing system settings, you simply open the site, enter the address of the page you want to access, and let the platform load it for you. These services often include quick access sections for popular apps and games, along with a search feature that helps you find what you're looking for faster. Because everything runs directly in the browser, it's designed to be fast, simple, and easy to use without complicated steps. That's pretty much the overview of how this approach works. As always, make sure you're following your school's rules and using your device responsibly. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.